When it comes to world-class patient care, what is most important?
As healthcare providers, it's a question that many of us at Keck Medicine of USC receive and consider every day.
Is it our technology, our facilities, or perhaps the talents and diversity of our workforce?
The answer is culture. A culture dedicated to making the seemingly impossible possible.
When this culture is put into practice, we are limitless. To be limitless means we're never settling for the convenient or easy solution.
Importantly, this culture is cultivated and maintained by each and every one of you.
Keck Medicine and its workforce are not separate entities who do not connect with one another. In fact, your presence and influence within our organization are what allow Keck Medicine to exist and constantly evolve.
Experiencing Keck Medicine is not about simply visiting one of our clinics or hospitals. Rather, it is to experience what it means to receive unprecedented compassion, support, and treatment.
This is essential to being limitless, and it's something that starts and ends with you. Since our very beginnings as a medical enterprise, our workforce has understood the importance of never allowing the weight of adversity to prevent us from progressing forward.
Our story begins in 2009 when USC acquired the USC University Hospital and USC Norris Cancer Hospital.
In 2011, USC received the naming gift from the W.M. Keck Foundation, and we officially became Keck Medicine of USC.
In just over a decade, Keck Medicine has achieved what many would view as impossible for such a young medical enterprise. Keck Hospital achieved magnet status for the first time. Keck Medical Center was ranked in the top 20 hospitals in the nation by U.S. News & World Report. We quadrupled our employee base to more than 7,000 employees. We grew our outpatient visits by a factor of 10, from 56,000 to more than 575,000. Expanded into markets such as Bakersfield or Las Vegas or Orange County. We acquired the Verdugo Hills Hospital.
Also, in the 2021 and 2022 U.S. News & World Report Best Hospitals report, Keck Medical Center is recognized as being among the top hospitals in the nation for a record number of specialties.
None of this would have been possible without you and your incredible efforts, that of our dedicated employees and physicians. Even in the most challenging times, you consistently go above and beyond to service the communities to the fullest.
This is what makes us limitless, and we are forever grateful. At the heart of Limitless is also the way you identify and empathize with our patients and each other.
It is this empathy that enables us to provide extraordinary patient care, move our organization forward, and unleash groundbreaking innovations.
Such as when our orthopedic surgery team successfully treated a burn patient who needed 6 toes transplanted to their hands to replace damaged fingers.
Or the head and neck surgery team who rebuilt a patient's underdeveloped ear canal, allowing them to hear music for the first time.
Or when our PT/OT team helped a patient whose legs were paralyzed by West Nile virus and helped them to walk again.
What is clear is that we have the bias towards action. We are always working to be better, learn more, in order to serve our patients.
Whether during times of calm or when facing a global pandemic, you don't shy away from the hard cases and always welcome the challenge of solving them. At the same time, you understand that Limitless is not always about curing the incurable.
Here, success is defined as providing the best possible outcome, whether that is through incisive diagnosis and innovative treatment, or maintaining the greatest degree of comfort and quality of life.
More often than not, patients come to us because of our relentless desire to go beyond the expected. For us, imagination doesn't mean being fanciful or unrealistic. Rather, it's about thinking outside the box and being willing to break down unnecessary barriers.
This is what makes Keck Medicine unique and is what will propel us to the forefront of next-generation healthcare providers.
Remember, the next chapter of Keck Medicine's story will not be written by the number of buildings we construct or the areas we move into.
Instead, it will be shaped by your talents, dedication, and endless sense of creativity.
You are the author of Keck Medicine's destiny, and it will be because of you that we will continue to thrive.
We look forward to expanding our influence in the coming years and continuing to adhere to the most important component when approaching patient care. And that together, we are limitless.